there's a certain amount of mechanics to it. But on the other hand, it's a rush when anything makes a big boom. The cannons first became a part of Maryland football tradition somewhere around 1960, when the football coaches wanted something to punctuate Maryland scoring. The university decided that black powder, a cannon, fraternity boys shooting the black powder cannon, and beer did not mix. So the cannon was donated to the marching band. So they reached out and found some Maryland alumni at what was then the Naval Surface Warfare Center who had explosive backgrounds and said, "Do you want to be a cannoneer?" We think this gun was made originally in 1886. So it's used to push the wad down. Hold it in. Hold it in with the finger while we there was talk about getting rid of the cannons on and off over the years, and it came to the attention of the Terrapin Club, and they pitched a huge conniption over it. The first shot that we make during pregame when the band comes on, little did we know that that is also the signal to people out in the lots tailgating that it's almost game time and time to come in.
Yeah, it's tough years lately, but this year maybe we can turn it around. Maybe we can
so far so good.
Fire the cannon more this year. Use more powder.
It's not a bad place to watch the game either.
No, got a good view.